Hey everyone, I'm Tom. This is Joy.
Hello.
And welcome to our Singapore Airlines Premium Economy walkthrough and vlog. We'll be flying from Sydney to Singapore, which is about an 8-hour flight. We're flying on an Airbus A380-800. And we'll be documenting all the food that we receive on board as well. So we are in seat number 33A and C in Premium Economy. SQ231, I believe it is. I'll double check that. My apologies, SQ232, leaving Sydney, scheduled for 11 o'clock. I should arrive at about 5 o'clock in Singapore. Let's have a little look around these seats. Okay, so that's my infotainment screen there. I'll be watching probably Mission Impossible, Karate Kids, and Lilo and Stitch. Just catching up all the movies that I normally get to watch in my busy schedule. There is in-flight Wi-Fi, but you know what? I'm going to make a deliberate decision not to use it, just so I can actually relax and force myself to take some time out.
Although for the in-flight Wi-Fi, you do need to be a KrisFlyer member, which is free, and then have that as your frequent flyer number, I think, to connect.
Yeah, so there's the details right there. So complimentary Wi-Fi for suites, first class, business class, PPS, and then KrisFlyer members must connect to use it in Premium Eco and Economy. Ample leg room, as you can see. It's stretched right out. And put my bag under there. It's a footrest as well. A couple of storage compartments there. Just charging my phone as we speak. I'll probably take that out once we start to lift off. Joy's doing the same there. And you can see the seats in front of us. That's where the kids are sitting. And a couple of lights there as well. Coat hook. And we're a window seat, so yeah, nice view out there for now. The airport. I just noticed something today for the first time, that in this flight, the A380, you see how the storage bins actually taper off at the front.
Yeah, that's not perspective. That is actually getting thinner.
It's a very narrow storage, so I don't know. It's kind of weird. That means everyone has to slide their bags back a little bit. We had to put our bags a couple of seats behind for the storage area, so it's not the fault of the passengers. There's just not enough room at the front of the plane. So first world problem, but good to know for next time if you're booking any seats. Okay, so in Premium Eco you get noise cancellation headphones. See there, packaged nicely. We'll be using that to watch the movies. Joy will be using her nice Bose headphones, but I'll be using these ones.
And they're really decent.
Yeah, cushioned as well.
Yeah.
Let me just have a look at the plug, see what kind of plug it is. So yeah, specialized Singapore Airlines plug, so there's no point taking them with you. Can't use it anywhere else. They will sit here. See, there's USB-A ports there, and that's where the headphones go in. That's the tray table is over here. There we go, they'll lift up. Then there's seat controls there, and then a control pad as well. Okay, so first drink service, and Joy has ordered champagne, and I got some gin and tonic. That's Gordon's gin, by the way. You can also get either almonds and cashews or peas and crackers. So we chose peas and crackers. Looks good. Okay, so Joyce just spotted 2 bottles of water that actually belong down here. This extra space here. Super handy. Keep hydrated on long flights. Okay, so I might just spend some time going through the menu for Premium Economy class. Let's have a look. So at the moment, I'll just show you the front page to start with. It's actually the 60th anniversary of Singapore. Celebrating with Singapore's 60th anniversary. So apparently there is a special menu at the moment. So there is that symbol there in the menu.
Yeah, they're the 60th anniversary specials.
Yep, so there you go. I think it's probably more impressive coming home from Singapore to Sydney. But since we're on the Sydney to Singapore flight, let's have a look to see what they've got. So nothing special in the Sydney to Singapore leg, unfortunately. Which is why it's important sometimes to book the cook, which is what we've got at the moment. So I've received mine. I'm sure Joy will get her soon. And I've asked for the seafood Thermidor. Okay, so Joy's has also arrived. So let's see what we've got. Some cheese and crackers on the side. Got a bit of bread. What is that? Some cold meats, couscous?
Couscous and cold chicken, I think. Yeah.
And then just a dessert on the sides. Looks like a, I don't know, some sort of chocolate cake. Shall we open this up? Let's have a look.
Yes. So, and the other thing to know about the seafood Thermidor is that I believe it is kind of the same sauce that they use in the lobster Thermidor, which you get obviously in business class, but this is kind of like the premium economy equivalent, which I'm more than happy with.
Oh yeah. Let's unwrap it. Let's have a look, see what's inside. Bit of ASMR for you. Oh damn, that looks pretty good already. That looks like saffron rice. Looks like a tomato there, cherry tomato. And
Chocolate at the end. A little chocolate at the end as well.
and let's stir through that and see what's in that.
Mussels,
Fish.
calamari.
Calamari.
That looks like calamari. Yep. Prawns or a little shrimp. Is that? I think that's calamari. Yep. Is there fish? I don't think there's. Yeah, I don't think there's fish.
Very creamy.
And also, yep, tomato.
Yep. Oh, I'm gonna dig in. Smells good too, actually.
Yep.
And of course, proper cutlery and premium. So you can hear that clinking of silverware.
And a proper napkin.
That's right.
Really not very big, but hey, I can still prepare.
Yeah. It's the little things. So, what have you got there, Joy?
So this is the amenity kit that you can ask for. So it doesn't always, it doesn't come by default with the seat, but you can just ask them for one for, I think, flights over 7 hours. Yep.
I've got to say, it's very, what should I say, eco-friendly. It's, I don't know, very papery, the outside of it.
It does look like, I think it is meant to be sort of like recycled fibers, so that's the point.
Okay, I guess that's the flavour of the times.
It is sealed.
Yes. It's a good sign that it's sealed. Now let's tamper with it. Alright, so inside the kit, what do we got? We've got an eye mask? No, that's slippers. Oh, getting very eco-friendly slippers. And that's the eye mask. Yep. Standard issue with most airline equipment kits, I would have thought. Lip balm. I think I still have that from my previous flight at home. Eco-friendly. I see the words eco-friendly.
There you go. Supernatural paper. A vegan, eco-friendly, lightweight material. 84% lighter carbon footprint than leather.
And I got one as well.
They're really good block out though. So yep,
Yeah.
10 out of 10 for this mask.
Alright, so final meal service. And looks like a little snack. I think it might be a sandwich or something, or a wrap. Oh, there you go. A little pocket. This one is ham and cheese. You can also get spinach and ricotta as well. So, gonna tuck in. Alright, so we've arrived in Singapore in front of the SG60 sign. So yes, it is Singapore's 60th birthday. We are here for the F1 Grand Prix, of course, next weekend, so it should be fun. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that premium economy experience walkthrough for Singapore Airlines. Did you enjoy yourself?
I did, yes.
Yeah.
I like sitting, I like sitting just the two of us, so it's nice, yeah.
I feel like you get more space on the window seat as well, like far more space on the left or right side.
Than sitting four in the middle.
Sitting four in the
yeah,
middle, definitely.
I think so.
And the service is always great on Singapore Airlines.
They're
no matter
always
what
so
class,
wonderful.
honestly.
Yeah, yep.
Good food, good service, good experience, so can't complain. Otherwise, thanks for watching. From Joy and myself from Ludicrous Feed, it's happy charging.